So very quickly, let me give you some tips on how to edit videos, how to shoot videos with your phone. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when shooting a video is to clean your phone camera. So your phone camera or your phone lens rather. Okay, so you want to clean it because of dust and all of that. A cleaned lens will give you a very sharp image. It will give you a very sharp image. And most times, if you can, instead of recording your videos on selfie mode, you want to use your back camera, because most times the back camera is the quality of the back camera is better than the quality of your front camera. Okay, so you want to use your back camera. Then if you don't have enough artificial lighting, you want to shoot your videos when the sunlight is at its peak. Okay, and then you want to sit opposite a window so that this sunlight can easily assist you with the lightning. Okay, sun's lightning will never go wrong. Even if you don't have any artificial light, the lightning of the sun most times might be enough to give you a very good quality. Okay, then another tip is you want to ensure that your phone is on landscape. Okay, landscape mode, I think, but landscape. Okay, so don't hold your phone straight up the way you hold your phone when you are operating your phone. Okay, you want to hold it in landscape mode so that the view will be more professional, and then you like what you get at the end of the production. Okay, all right, so for the lightning, this is a ring light, okay, with the stand and then with a phone holder. You can get this if you are serious about video editing and video shooting and all of that. You can also get this. Okay, this more like a desktop phone light, and then ring light, and then phone. So instead of using your hand to hold your phone while recording, it's better you use a stand. If you cannot get a stand, just look for a way to improvise. Maybe you can use books, you can use anything that can just keep your phone stable. Alright, so that, because if you hold your phone with your hand or you get somebody to help you hold, you'll find out that the production, the video will be shaking, okay, at the end of the day. Okay, although you can use Power Director to stabilize your video, as I just showed you, but it's better you get it right from the shooting, because editing might not give you the quality you want to get. Okay, and then in shooting videos, you want to shoot it clip by clip. Okay, then you do the editing and joining together instead of doing one long shoot. All right, so those are some tips you can use to shoot videos on your phone. Okay, so now if you want to shoot videos with your phone, you know how to do it. Or if you want to record your phone screen, you know how you can do that with S Recorder. Okay, if you want to record your laptop screen also, there are softwares you can use for that. Okay,